Hey y'all, I want to show you today how I cook corn on the cob in the microwave, and it makes it so easy to get the husk and the silks and all that off, and then turn it into Mexican corn. It's very simple and very quick, and we'll just get started. So you just take an ear of corn, you leave it in the husk, and you don't do anything to it. I went ahead and did this one right before I started the video so that we wouldn't have to wait, and I let it go for 4 minutes because I wanted it to be nice and hot. So get a nice sharp knife and go up several inches from the end, about where you think, like right here you can feel that's where the corn is going to start. So you just take your knife and cut through all the husk and all, and then you push it out the end. And I need, oops, the corn is really hot, so you need to have your hands protected. And so I really think I need to cut that again because it's not sliding out as easily as it should. I'm going to cut just a little bit further up. Okay, that looks good. Now, if you can see, it's sliding out. Ouch. And you can stick a fork in it or whatever and pull the end off of it. And there you go. I'm going to put it on this plate so you can see that all the silks are off of it. It's nice and hot and cooked, and it's ready to put butter on it if you want butter, or however you want to eat your corn. Like I said, I'm going to do a Mexican corn, so I'm going to move this and bring the plate over here. And I have 2 little bowls. One, I'm going to put some mayonnaise. And you don't taste the mayonnaise really. So, don't think, oh no, I don't want that, it's got mayonnaise, because really it's not that pronounced. And in that mayonnaise, if you have fresh lime, you can use that, or the bottled wine. Put several, did I say wine? I meant lime. Anyway, put just 2 or 3 drops of lime in that. And stir it around. And get your lime juice into your mayonnaise. And then with your other little bowl, take Parmesan cheese. If you think you want a lot, put a lot in there in your bowl. If not, don't. But put your Parmesan cheese, and then I put a couple shakes of chili powder. And then I will mix that up in just 1 second. So now you want to, that's about where I can handle it. You want to cover your corn. We have a friendly fly today. You want to cover your corn in this lime mayonnaise mixture. If you want just a tiny bit of it, just enough to keep your Parmesan cheese on it, then just put a thin coat. But anyway, get that on there. And then take your Parmesan and chili powder and mix it up. And then sprinkle as much or as little as you want. Onto your corn. And that is basically it. So there it is. And it's delicious. And I would try it for you, but I'm not sure how much I really shared about my dental work, but you know, at one point I was having a lot done. And then with everything that's gone on, that has stopped. So there's certain things I can't eat till I get that finished. But anyway, give this corn a try. I'm not able to eat it on the cob, but I'm going to take a knife and cut it off and really enjoy it. So I appreciate you watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you take care and love yourself. Do something good for yourself and someone else. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.